Here's how we can log into Squarespace, whether you're a new customer or you're a seasoned veteran on the platform. Step 1. Go to squarespace.com and choose Login if you already have an account. Alternatively, select Get Started. At this stage, we've got the option to add some information about our website. Alternatively, we can skip it by the button here, or you can select I'm just browsing. From here we can select a starting template. Don't panic. If you feel that you've gone down the wrong route, you can always come back and create a new trial site. You can access every site on a 14-day trial. And also with Squarespace 7.1, most of the new templates are interchangeable, meaning that it doesn't really matter which starting template you choose from. Choose a template that you want to start with. You can either preview it or just go ahead and start. At this stage, you'll be asked to log in, directly or via a Google or Apple account. If you had already chosen to log in, you will not need to go through this step. And that's it. That's how we can get up and running easily in Squarespace.